How do you feel right now?
I feel like money though. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I feel like money, you know what I'm saying? I told a nigga to mess around Floyd Mayweather, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I've been in the ring for a long time now, you know what I'm saying? Like 50 old, man. I wear the nigga out. I was gonna knock the nigga out, man. So I went, you know, punch the nigga, man. He was about to get knocked out, man. So therefore I was with that jamana kwa. Chamisa fight jamana hapo kwa zaburu. No, let me knock the nigga out though. You know, I don't play though. You know what I'm saying? Jamana kwa.
So do you have anything to say to Mr. McGregor?
Yo, man. Yo, I told a nigga, man. I don't be messing around. Even once a great man say, Hobo Subakira Kunge, Mayweather, Regisini, Yagato, Sianane later, Kuti Sauro, Digo Kuti, Gauro, Shiba, Baba, Shimda, Makuruani, Master Manyo, Sauro, Digo Kuti, Gauro. Television thing.